Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have the Develop Ineo 423 or Konica Minolta 423. So as you can see in the screen, it's paper jam 11 and 13. Only in 3.1. 3.2 doesn't have this kind of problem. Only in 3.1. So luckily I have the spare donor rubber. So I need to remove first the pickup assembly. What do you call that one? With two screws in it. So I need to remove those screws to remove this pickup roller. Okay, so you need to be careful because the screw might drop inside and it's difficult to take it. So first I need to remove this from the machine, and then I'll check visual check of this assembly if there's something worn out or I don't know, pick up rubber. Only in 3.1 and you encounter this problem. The 3.2 is fine. Okay, only in 3.1. 11.13 sometimes if even if you make photocopy for one or print for one page, and then it will give you an error and another page is in the entrance of the PSR assembly. Okay, always 11.13 error, and you need to remove the jump paper. But when you use the 3.2, there is no such problem. So only this area have issue. So I now I am removing this, and then I check up from my right. I have the spare. Okay, uh, I need to remove the pickup rubber, three of them. Okay, the one it's I already removed but I did not record the video. So only the rubber here that I need to remove. So I need to carefully remove those springs. Okay, it's very difficult this time because this is my first time to troubleshoot this kind of model. So a lot of time, patience, but luckily I hope this one will work. Okay. Okay, I'm moving now to the original 3.1 assembly for the pickup rubber. Carefully I figuring out how this one will be disassembled. The sensor, the spring, everything should be taken place, otherwise it will give me an error. Okay, something wrong, then another work. So the first donor rubber is already removed from the case, and then I will transfer those rubbers in this assembly, and then I will check if the problem is gone or I fixed it, so you guys can see it. And maybe it takes lots of minutes just to figure out these things out, and then we'll see. So I started now to remove all these sensors. Okay, we'll check. Okay, so the moment of truth after I after I install the 3-1 the pickup rubber assembly, and I'm trying now to photocopy in 3-1 for about 10 pages, and luckily, fortunately, it's working. Okay, so this time I need to order an extra rubbers, pickup rubber for 3-1, just in case if I face the same problem in the future, so I have to get rid of it. Thank you guys for watching, and this one is fixed. As you can see, it's 3-1. I make another one, so maybe around 5 pages, and I did not encounter in the previous error like it's jamming the paper. Okay, paper jam. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5, so no error anymore. So I fixed the problem, and thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.